Do you remember this video where I did an innovative jeans patch? Everything was going so well until I did this. I did the top stitch over the thread, and then I got some comments asking how can I do it without the top stitches? Hello everyone, welcome to Downtown Tailoring. In today's video we are gonna make such a cool patch. These are the jeans, and as you can see they are very pretty, but some say that this haul is becoming a little risky. To start, I'm gonna try to find a backing fabric. I'm gonna use cotton today, and I'm looking like a kind of jeans color, jeans blue. I'm just trying to decide which one. I think this one, no wonder it's called periwinkle in the store. So we are gonna use, I think, the one at the left. And I'm gonna start by putting my pants inside out so I can work more comfortable. And I'm gonna cut a piece of fabric more or less big enough that covers in a generous way the hole. I'm gonna use my pinky shear scissor to cut very well the edges, just because I don't like to serge. But you can do a top stitch too to make it a little bit stronger. And I will try to go with a similar shape because there's not really too much space to put this patch. Otherwise, I would have just leave it a square or rectangular, I'd say. Then I'm gonna go to my ironing, and I'm just ironing just to stretch it a little bit, just to be sure that I won't pull or, displace the thread or anything. And I'm gonna use hem fusing tape just because I wanna glue the edges of the patches. As you can see, I'm just going to the edges because I don't wanna go too close to the hole because I need a space to work. So this is what I have for now, and I'm going to look a very nice thread to use it in this patch. So usually I have my thread a little bit more organized than today, but I will see which one is the best. Welcome to the Thread Hunger Games. May the odds be ever in your favor. First off, out. You out. Well, this one is promising. Let's see. Out. This one might work. Ooh, a contender. This one too. Ooh. Okay, this is a nice gray. Sometimes grays work very well with jeans. Let me see a little. No. We are down to the last two. And this is a very difficult decision. And the winner of the Thread Hunger Game is Super Light Blue. Although I will be thinking that the other was better all the time. Without thinking too much, I'm gonna prepare my pants. I'm gonna check the grain lines of the fabric, and then I'm gonna make lines perpendicular. What will be the weft? And I'm seeing that this line will be parallel to the few lines that still are there. So I think we are okay. So I did all my lines at 1/2 inch distance one to the other, and I use a heat erase pen, and I'm gonna need as well an embroidery tambourine just to make our job a little easier. The thing is that I want those threads to be as taut as possible, so the tambourine will help me with that. So I'm gonna use just an embroidery needle. This one is for Sashiko thread, which is very good to do this kind of job with the jeans. It's so strong, so nice. So I'm gonna start at the bottom part, and as you can see, I will start by inserting the needle around 1/2 inch from the edge of the hole. And then I'm gonna make a small little stitch, and then I will go out again, and then I will go to the other side by inside. So again, the top stitch going back, and then you see I'm just going parallel. So after I did the ones that are just the thread work here, let me show you a little bit better. So I'm still doing exactly the same. And this is pretty much the job we need to do. We are going back and forward, and the lines I did are like a guideline because it's very easy when you are working with that to change the direction like one by one. Believe me, I've done that. And when you finish, you can just knot the thread at the other side, or you can do it in between. I just do it there because it's easier, but if you do it in between, it will be cleaner and nicer. So I'm gonna keep going, and sometimes you can leave a little bit too much space. You just have to go back and just fill up, because what you are looking for is the thread to be really, really packed, to be a lot of thread, and you want that thread to be really taut. And this is more or less the way it should look at the end. So I'm gonna just remove my tambourine, and I'm gonna go to find a nice matching thread for the jeans. Remember that each time that you wanna make a patch and top stitch on the jeans, you have to try to find the best matching thread just to help you out. And I'm gonna sew all around my patch as close as I can, because all the little thread from the hole will just cover these stitches. And then I'm gonna go to the grain of the material, and I'm gonna do several stitches. The ones that are at the edge is for secure the fabric underneath, and the ones that are closer is for secure the thread. You wanna pull a little bit the thread to make it taut, and go and do stitches all around, and this is the way it should look when you finish your job. Now I just need to go to my ironing board and erase those marks. The job is done now, but if you don't want that thread like so loose, because this is the only little problem of this way, you can use hem fusing tape and just put it underneath all this thread. Be just careful with that, like I try to lift it and then accommodate it in a good way, and then you can just iron it and the thread will be a little bit more secure. You can use as well, instead of using that fabric, you can glue cotton fabric interfacing too, and it will produce very good results too. And here you go, this is my job. This is inside, outside. It's looking really, really good. If you don't want the mark of the thread, just use the same color. So guys, I hope that you like this video. Please let me know in the comment if you like this patch more than the other. So now you have the two options. If you find this video useful, please give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Bye!